In this video, we're going to be looking into the unit circle as well, but we're looking at multiples of 30 degrees. Now, 30 degrees is the equivalent of pi on 6. Now, 60 degrees is obviously double that, so that's 2 pi on 6 or pi on 3. Now, so if we get our unit circle, now, what we have here is that's 1, we've got 60 degrees. Now, we've done a question like this in the past. Now, we've got this as coordinate here as 1, that's 1, negative 1, negative 1. We have obviously x and y axes. Well, if that's 1, because it's an equilateral triangle, that's a half. So this coordinate here will be p. It's a half. K. So we want to find out what K is. Now, we know we've got a right angle triangle there, so we're going to use Pythagoras' theorem again. So we have a half squared plus K squared equals 1. So that's 1 over 4 plus K squared equals 1. So K squared will equal, now we're going to take the quarter onto the other side, equals 3/4. So K equals root 3 over 2. Now, so that means K equals root 3 over 2. So that means that coordinate, P, coordinate is a half root 3 over 2. Now, that's for 60 degrees, but we were looking at multiples of 30 degrees. So what does that mean for 30 degrees? Well, it works out that the coordinate for 30 degrees, so if we were to go out here and halve the angle, well, it works out that P is going to be root 3 over 2, a half. And what you'll notice is it's just the other way around than the 60 degrees, where 60 degrees was a coordinate a half root 3 over 2. For 30 degrees, it's root 3 over 2 a half. Now, that's to do with rotations and reflections, okay, on the graphs. So when we look at multiples of 60 and 30 degrees, we've got coordinates of, for 60, a half root 3 over 2, and for 30, root 3 over 2 and a half. Now, keeping in mind with our coordinates and our unit circle, we have A, S, T, C. So our unit circle, the coordinates change, so only the sign is positive. So if we go over here to this coordinate, for example, that'd be 120 degrees. Well, that would be a half minus a half root 3 over 2, because y is positive, sine, so that's sine is positive, cosine is negative. If we were to go across here, for example, well then that would be negative root 3 over 2, a half. And that would continue all the way around. ASTC, so all positive, sine's positive, tan's positive, then cosine's positive in the quadrants. Okay, thank you for watching.